this is Amy from Garden Up. Today we're going to be doing a video about snow mold, little training on this fantastic fungus right here. So if you live in a place where it snows, which I do, sometimes in the spring when the snow first melts you'll see this funny growth. It's usually gray or pink, or sometimes I've even seen white or black. It's really bad this year. A lot of it's actually gone away. But this year it actually looks like a pile of dust or dog fur or something. It's just really intense. Usually it's just grass blades that are laying flat like this with a little bit of funny color. So there's a lot of ways to treat snow mold. There's chemical ways to treat it. You can just leave it. It doesn't really hurt much. The only downside is if it's a really thick mat of snow mold, these dead leaves of grass tend to form this impenetrable blanket over the new grass, so the new grass can't get through. It doesn't get light or air and it can't grow. It's basically like putting a landscape fabric over top of your lawn, and that little patch will die. The easiest way I've ever found to treat it is just simple: rake it. What raking does is it instantly picks up the dead leaf blades that the snow mold is growing on, pulls up the mold itself. It gets light and air right down to the soil, which makes a real nice environment for your new spring lawn to grow. Just pick up this pile of dead grass and throw it away. Don't put this in your compost. Put it in your green bin or whatever means you have of disposing. And that's really it. That's all there is to snow mold. You just rake it up, throw it away. It's done. If you really want to prevent it, watch my video on getting rid of moss. It'll show you how to apply baking soda. You could do the same thing here. This patch right here was an absolute mat of mycelium growth. It's just disgusting. It's really, the growth itself isn't anything to worry about. It only comes up once a year. But it's a good way to get your lawn going in the spring. No more signs of snow mold anywhere. All gone.